To install Surfshark on your Amazon Firestick, follow these steps. Turn on your Firestick. Make sure your Firestick is plugged in and powered on. Navigate to the home screen. Go to the Amazon App Store. From the home screen, scroll to Find and select Search. Type Surfshark VPN in the search bar. Install the Surfshark app. Select Surfshark VPN from the search results. Click on the Get button to download and install the app. Open the Surfshark app. Once installed, go back to the home screen. Navigate to your apps and channels, then select Surfshark VPN. Log into your Surfshark account. Open the Surfshark app. Enter your Surfshark login credentials to sign in. Connect to a server. After logging in, choose a server location you want to connect to. Surfshark will automatically connect you to the best available server, or you can manually choose one. Once connected, your internet traffic is secured and your location is masked. Enjoy streaming. Now you can enjoy streaming and browsing securely on your Firestick with Surfshark VPN.